Monday, April 12th, 2020, and we are on our way to Virginia, specifically Nelson County, Massey's Mill, Crabtree Falls.
Okay, so I'm here in Nelson County, Virginia, and this is the cabins at Crabtree Falls. This is where I'm staying.
Hey Maggie. Hi.
I shall give you a tour of this beautiful cabin they call Jack's Place. You got a fireplace, you got a full kitchen, 2 floors, loft upstairs. Here's the bedroom, here's the bathroom. All fully equipped. Toilet looks good. These stairs were really steep. But altogether, a very nice place.
It's pretty. Hold on. What's he doing? What's he doing?
And this is the Ty River, T-Y-E, River, discovered by a guy named Alan Ty. Crabtree Falls, the highest vertical drop cascading waterfall east of the Mississippi River, is a popular attraction located in Nelson County, Virginia. Oh yeah! Just 6 miles off the scenic Blue Ridge Parkway near milepost 27. Crabtree Falls features a series of 5 major cascades and a number of smaller ones that fall a total distance of 1,200 feet, man. Alright, so this is the bottom of Crabtree Falls. The bottom. Hi. This is definitely the place to take your dog for a walk too. That's sick. Okay, we made it to the 2nd level of Crabtree Falls in Nelson County, Virginia. This is pretty awesome. level 3, Crabtree Falls, Crabtree Falls.
What you looking for? Come on, let's go bike bikes. You ready to go bike bikes? Come on. Come on.
So because we had Maggie with us, we were unable to continue our exploration of Crabtree Falls. We only ended up going up 3 levels. So we were going to wait until the next day and continue our adventure. Day 2. Good morning. It rained all night, like literally all night. So the Tyro River is going to be kicking, and this waterfall is going to be kicking. And here I am at the very top of Crabtree Falls.